What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a video of playing level 16. I don't know why we look like this, but
Can I do it with you?
yeah,
Can I
you
do it
can
with
do
you?
the
Sup?
video.
Yeah, I know how to beat the level. I know how to beat the level. I know where all the buttons are. Come on. I know where all the buttons are.
Okay. Guys, we're going to follow this guy. Because he knows where all the buttons are.
Yeah. Come on. Now go up here.
Oh, God, bro, you're going so fast. I can't believe I can see this guy. Ooh. Ooh.
Up here. Now come up here. And there's one inside. Come on, there's one inside. Yo, bro, just launched himself. There's another one.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
That scared
Go
me.
up. We're good.
Oh my God. That scared me.
Oh, the train is coming.
Look. The monster just got hit by the train.
Oh, dang.
Bro got
Right
murdered.
there. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Down here, guys. There's a button by the door over here. And then there's another one over there. Hurry up. Press it. And then there's another one over here. Come on. Oh, look. Hurry up. When he moves.
Oh my God. Jump.
There's a button over there and by the train. There's a button right here and in the maze and in the train. Come on. We got 2 more buttons left.
There's no button in the train. There's no button in the train.
Yeah, there's no button in the train. I know that. I already got that button. Wait, did we? Help.
There's no button on.
Black, where are you? Oh, there you
There's
are.
one in the maze. The last one.
Wait, Black, I didn't get it. Black!
Oh, sorry.
I beat it.
Wait.
There's one.
Tell us where
All the buttons?
And there's one in the
over there.
maze. There's one in the maze.
You know, yeah, there's a button in the maze. I can show you where it is. I can show you the way.
I know the way. I know the way.
All right.
I'm not sure if this is the way actually, but I'm going it.
What? I'm gonna turn my car.
The next L train is coming.
That scared the heck out of me.
Out of the way.
Help! 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 Where do I go? Oh, thank you. Black! Black, I only got one more, I think.
Yo, guys, I just put my contrast and gamer mode on. And my contrast is all the way.
I don't really care. I think I know where
just
the
need
last one
the
is.
exit. Wait, can someone lead me to the exit?
Okay, this is how you get on the train. I'm trying to speed run this because I can't edit. Okay, so this is how you get on the train. Okay,
Please
and there you
watch
go.
for
That's
the
how you guys
sliding
get on the
doors.
train.